Hello friends, in today's video we are going to show how you can put the cursor strokes on the screen to display it like this. As you can see, my cursor is displaying this yellow line, and when I click it just goes like this red when I left click on it, and when I right click it just shows like a blue line. So I'm going to show you in this video how to turn this on and off in Windows. So let's go. So first of all, you have to go to Google and type in this website, which is Pointer Focus. I will leave the link in the description below, so you don't need to worry about it. So the pointerfocus.com, and you just have to download this. I have already downloaded it. So now what you have to do is, so it will be a zip file like this, and you just have to extract it. And once extracted, you will see something like this open with the tool. So in this one, you can go to settings and change the color. If you want to change to red, you can change to red. If you want to change to some other color, you can change to other color. If you hit F8 on your keyboard, then it will go away. And if you click on F8 again, it will come again. Basically, if you click on this, it will go away. If you click on this again, it will come by. You can play with the opacity as well if you would like to do so. You can play with the width as well. If you want to make the circle bigger, you can do that. You can make the size bigger as well, like this. I want it to be lower, and that's the reason I don't want it too high. So I have just according to me. And also you can click on this and change what left key does, so it will show in green now instead of red. And you can change this show click animation text. So if I enable it, when I click like this, it will show me left button click or right button click or control C. I am doing controls, anything which I am doing right now. So it will show each and everything which I am doing on the screen right now. I don't want it, so I will disable it as of now. But that's it. So you can download this and enjoy and get those cursor pointers on the screen when you click. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and hit that bell icon. If you have any comments, please leave in the comment box, and see you in the next one.